In this video, I will show you how to design a soccer jersey, 3D soccer jersey using 3D mockup from Yellow Images. So if you're new here, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So let's start. Here we will be recreating the jersey shirt of La Liga FB Barcelona 2021. So we will need a gradient abstract just like this from freepik.com, which is free to download. I will put the link on the description below, and also the link for this 3D mockup from Yellow Images on the description below. So first up is we will get these colors of the jersey. So I think we will need it has a 5 color on this jersey, so we will get those major colors. First up is the yellow, just click the eye drop. Second one is the maroon or red, and the darker shade of maroon of red, and the light blue, and the darker shade of blue, navy. Now select those 5 colors, then click this folder, new color group, click OK. Then now we will create this line, so just create a rectangle like this. So using the base color blue, then now we will create this yellow thin line, then apply the yellow color. Then we will now try to recreate this shades gradient effect with the help of this gradient from freepik.com. So we will just try to reduce the effect here, then maybe up to here. Oops. Okay, up to here. Then select all, group, then minimize, adjust the size, then drag here, then let's zoom in, then let's apply the color navy, the darker shade of blue, then rotate, then just okay, adjust a little bit bigger, then cut, then select this, then draw inside, then paste, shift command V or shift control V, then now it's inside. Now we will duplicate this and put copy on the other side, then reflect. Okay, so we'll just make sure that it is center like so. Okay, now we will create the other side, which is the maroon. Just select this base, then I drop and click on the base color, Now going in the gradient, just select those gradient, then I drop again on the maroon. Now we have this. So we're getting closer on this kind of design. Now just duplicate this while holding shift option command or shift option control in your keyboard, then release the mouse and the keyboard, then duplicate, control D. Okay, we will create a longer line for this one. Control D or command D in your keyboard. Okay, now I think that is enough. Then now we will select all this design, and we will go in this 3D mockup, the jersey. Now click, make sure that these are locked, this t-shirt highlights and shadows. Now click here and then click or hit the command C or control C to paste the stripe or the lines that we created on AI. Just select pixels, click OK. Then once it is pasted, just click, just adjust the size like so. Okay, then place. Okay, now we will try to adjust it again one more time. Okay, and now we will duplicate that, control J or command J in your keyboard. So we will target the same design from our reference. Okay, like that. Then select those two, then convert to smart object. I think we need another layer, then select those two again, then convert to smart object. And now just make sure that we have the blue in the center, just like this. Oops. Okay, once you place this in the center, if you can see here in the reference, it has a blue on both sides of the jersey, so we will adjust this until we get that same look from the reference that we have. Hit enter. Now drag this layer above the front layer, which is here, then click and hold the alt option in your keyboard, By hovering in the center of this layer 1, copy 2 in front, then click once. So now it's inside, so we almost have our front perfect. So we will get the color of the color, which is the yellow. Just click eyedrop and get that yellow from that color. Now we will drag this color up, then click that twice, then hit the eyedrop again, getting that yellow color from our reference. Now we will um, put another stripes on each sleeves. So to do that, just double click on the layer of the sleeves. Now we will adjust or minimize the view just to make sure we can see the outcome instantly. Okay, now drag and drop this layer into the left arm layer, then you will see a big image on this, because I believe this layer is smaller versus the front view. So just zoom out. Okay, command minus. Okay, then adjust. Then we will try to adjust the size of this layer. So as you can see, it's too big, so we will just reduce this a little bit. Then we will try to adjust like this, then enter, then save. Let's see if we can produce such a design same as the sleeve of this left. So that you click Control S or Command S to save this layer, so it will show here on the left sleeves. Okay, as you can see, so we will apply that on the other sleeve. So just click on the main page, then click on the right arm layer, then just drag that, then minimize, command minus. Okay, then click on this layer, just drag and drop on the second arm. And now let's see how will it look. Just hit save. Okay, so the great thing of this using this Yellow Images 3D mockup is you can design any soccer jersey or any uniform, sports uniform that you want in realistic 3D view and high resolution. You can use this for marketing in your online store or on website. So there, perfect. Now we have our finished jersey design, as you can see. So the only things that is missing is your logos that you can put in front. So let's zoom in and see the quality of this beautiful mock-up from Yellow Images. So as you can see, it has a premium look and very realistic jersey out outcome. So I hope guys you enjoy this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more 3D design tutorial. Thanks guys.